Still living in spreadsheets? It's time we talk. Excel is great until your data grows. Then it's slow, manual, and risky. BI tools give you real-time dashboards, predictive analytics, data source connectors, AI agents, alerts, and more. No formulas needed. Want real-time insights? Excel won't cut it. Only a BI tool can fill that gap. Need root cause analysis or ML-powered forecasts? Excel can't, but a BI tool can. They are built for it. Because when it's decision time, you don't want static rows. You need stories everyone can understand. Excel has its place, but for speed, scale, and smarter decisions, you need BI. Don't just manage data, master it. With BI tools, you're not building reports, you're building clarity and making sure everyone's on the same page. Luminor makes the switch easy. Visit us and know more.